Red light, run. Red light, run. Red, 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 red light, run. Was that a nice cutoff? I didn't really see it. Let's see, how many people are gonna roll through the stop sign? Yeah, he did. Come on, Screwbaroo. Yeah, there you go. Come on, Prius. There you go. And of course, I'll stop like normal because you're supposed to, and then now I'm gonna go. Oh, nice cutoff up there. Nope.
Kavanaugh leads her mom to the bar. The place is buzzing despite the shortage of tourists. Like the boutique hotels that inspire W's.
Is that an exit dive? I think so.
Around. But when I get to the Charles Hiker hostel, they were staying that night.
Whoa!
They come up to me and
what an asshole!
Like
3 times this week.
All right, this story comes from everywhere there's news.
Everywhere you've ever seen.
Atlanta flight forced to come back after flyer has diarrhea, quote, all the way through the plane.
That's a lot of diarrhea. That's a lot of diarrhea. That's a lot of diarrhea.
This is a bad day.
Nope. And I saw him coming from a while ago.
And there's still a slither of hope that maybe I would be able to hike out the next day or something if the fire... I don't know, but we got back to his house and PCTA officially closed.
Nice cutoff, and he had the wrong blinker
summit
on.
all the way up to the Oregon border.
And of course, you're going to exit. Because, yeah, why not get in, like, line behind me?
Steve Gadd when he would play, which is really cool. And when I watched Art play those parts, like, he does...
Yep, left turn, regret.
I fucking hated that song when it came out. Come on, Eileen. And then they just sort of morphed into a cover.
Wait. I don't think you can go down that way.
Reminds me of that period in my
It's like,
life.
why would you try to come out that way when you're
That's
facing...
a good call. Yeah.
I thought they could win 13 and clearly Philly, Dallas.
Straight from the left turn lane. Straight from the left turn lane.
These tackles, that's scary. And now Zach and quarter.
Really? What the hell are you doing? You're a douchebag. And what, you're going to do it again? Because why not? You're going to get held up at a red light somewhere and it'll erase all your progress. Oh, what do you know? You got held up at a red light. Gee, who could have saw that coming?
A few moments later.
Again? Again! What the... What's up with people today?
So the next time you go out to Planet Fitness or whatever, and you stand upon the treadmill, know that you are standing upon a device originally designed for prison inmates to grind.
Straight from the left turn lane. Straight from the left turn lane. Straight from the left turn lane.
Turned into 6 months, then a year, 2 years, and the dead man had still not been identified. The killers had not been identified.
Straight from left turn lane. Why can't people figure out where the arrows go?
Not listening to your doctor, but I'm not hearing from people that I should be getting boosted, and I just go with the flow, yo.
Real one's coming
Really?
out soon. You'll be hearing about it.
Okay, all right.
Let's listen to all this shit not go over back there. Good job. Your country's proud of you.
Like the exact same area as the roped off area for smokers. So when they come out of the building and they have to be a certain distance away from the door, it was basically the bike rack. And so you're parking up, like locking up your bike and being like, it's just not the air I want to breathe.
Left turn, regret.
To see it was hard not to watch what was going on in Maui and the
No,
destruction
stop.
of a major part of this.
And they were good.
Yeah.
You know, it just was a shocking difference in what the old wisdom will do for you and what the new.
Nah, I don't think you can turn in there. I don't think it works like that.
You're getting this guy with dementia. Oh, we know this guy, Robert. You know, F. Kennedy.
But I'm streeing. People need their packages. Get the fuck out of the way. And no stop by the Volkswagen.
It's a prevention, because women, of course, are the gatekeepers for preventing lust and sin, right? The Apostle Paul.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Seriously got a set of horns that are of a cow on the front, and then there's this giant horn.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Oh, really? FedEx!
The Loch Ness mystery or the interest in Loch Ness itself to diminish.
No, stop!
It'll be hard for Nessie to hide from this high-tech hunt. They're launching drones.
No, stop. Maybe you're just like someone who doesn't stop. This is what it sounds like. Let us cry. No, stop. And oh, look, it was pre-Starship playing on the radio, in case, you know, anyone happens to not like that band. That was who that was. A girl like you, for happy endings it takes two. We're fire and ice, the dream won't come true. You didn't stop over there. Why would you do that in your eyes, Sarah? Oh, look, another Starship song. Why would you hate on this band? I thought you weren't going to stop. Yeah, hi. Chrysler.
I only recently realized that you are allowed to sing karaoke. No one gives a fuck. Like acapella.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Yep, you are allowed to sing acapella. Sarah, storms are brewing in your eyes. This is the Starship episode. Deal with it.
Yeah. I see what you're saying. Lock them up. They're like, you know what? The store is like.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Do you want me to sing Starship again? Okay, guys, comment down below, yes or no. Let me read them really quick. The answer is yes. We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll.
You know, on an island would look like. But that's very different than what is there today. I wonder if you...
The ground. And that is a true story.
No stop, Toyota turd. You're just gonna keep going, and you're gonna keep going. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Like, now I'm stopping more often.
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut and we got a twofer. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 if we're in Connecticut. But we are not in Connecticut. We are make-believing that we're in Connecticut for some reason. Why would you want to make-believe that you're over there? That place sucks. Anyway, but they're fine here. We're 81 North Syracuse. You know, it's not. We have to pretend at these things. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!